The CPU is called the brain of the computer. But what does it actually do? CPU stands for Central Processing Unit, and it is the core component that runs every program on your computer. When you open an app, browse the web, or type a document, the CPU is executing the instructions that make all of that happen. Think of it as the component that does all the thinking. It reads instructions, decides what to do, and carries them out. Without the CPU, nothing else in your computer can function. The CPU works through a repeating process called the fetch-decode-execute cycle. First, it fetches an instruction from memory. Then it decodes that instruction to understand what operation to perform. Finally, it executes, carrying out the actual operation. This cycle repeats billions of times per second, which is what makes modern computers feel instant. A key component inside the CPU is the ALU, the arithmetic logic unit. This handles all mathematical operations like addition and subtraction, and logical comparisons like checking whether two values are equal. The CPU also works closely with RAM, your computer's main memory, which supplies the data and instructions the CPU needs to process at any given moment. So the CPU executes all instructions through a fetch-decode-execute cycle, with the ALU handling computation. Follow for more IT fundamentals. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.